Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. Today I'll discuss about create a blog on Blogger. So first of all, open the browser, uh, go on Google and type the blogger.com and search it. Then click on blogger.com, create an unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free. Click on this link. Then sign in here. See here. See here, sign in. Click on this. Use the any Gmail account. And create a your profile link. So click on continue to blogger here. Click on this. See here, your blogger account is created successfully. See here, create new blog. Click on this button. Create new blog and type the title you create a blog. So my title is how and type the address your blog. How sorry, this blog address is not available. How to create blog. Blog 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, this blog address is available. Select the anything. I select this theme and click on create blog. See here, your blog is created successfully. So click on post option and no thanks, and then click on this option, create a new post. Here, create a new post option. Click on this. Write the your post here. This is my first blog. This is my first blog. This is my first blog. So text the largest, and alignment is the center. See here, this is my first blog. Now click on publish. So post title is type here post title first. And click on publish option. Click on publish option. So then click on view blog. See here, click on view blog. Cancel. Don't share Google Plus. See here, my address is here. How to create a blog? 12345.blogspot.com. This is my first blog. See here, my first blog and first post is here. So my blog is created successfully. you create multiple blocks. So click on this arrow and click on a new block and create a new block and new post. So I hope uh, like this video and subscribe to my channel Technical Programming and click on bell icon. So thanks for watching this video.